So the other day, on this and my Windows system, I've had it on both, I lost access to the Ubuntu. So I could boot into this, and I could boot into Windows, but I couldn't boot into Ubuntu. So the way I did it, there might be other ways, but I went to Refind. So it's this Roderick W. Smith Refind. And then you gotta find the right one. So get in Refind. There's all sorts of different ways to do it, but I use this USB flash drive image. So it's going to download. So that's done. Now I'm going to write the image to a USB with DD Rescue. I'm just going to put that outside here. Find the image. For some reason the disc ain't showing up. Ah, there it is. So I'll just open that up and wipe it of everything. I don't need it now. And then I will run sudo, sorry, I'll click on it first. So sudo disk util unmount disk, sorry, capital D, disk, and then what is that? Not showing on there. So disk 2, unmount disk 2. So it's unmounted that disk. I'm going to write the image to that disk. So dd if, I'll put sudo first, sudo dd if equals, then just right click on it, copy. All you're doing is making a bootable disk. You can use Berliner Etcher for it as well if you want. We'll try and learn this tool off by heart. And then it's a device and disk 2, obviously. I'm going to put block size equals 1 million and status equals progress. That just speeds it up and gives you a status bar, so let's try that. Yep, it's going. And that's it, it's wrote it. So I'm going to boot from it now. And obviously I'll have to switch to my camera for that. So I'll just stop this. So here's the Refind screen. You can flick through. Obviously that's boot macOS from Ubuntu. Oh sorry, start from the beginning. It's got all sorts of different ones. You've got to find the one that you need. I'm going to boot from Ubuntu. So that's my EFI partition, so that's the one there. Right, so I use Refind to find this EFI partition with Ubuntu on it. And now, what you need to find and install, looks like I've took it off, can't remember if I got it through the software package. I'll just check first to see if we get through here. So boot repair. So it's this one here, boot repair. So it looks like you've got to load it through the terminal, so I'll do it now. Can't believe I took this off. It's too good of a tool. Scanning the system now, and they'll give you some recommendations. So that repairs most frequent problems, and you can also create a file to send to a forum. But mine's working, so I'm not going to touch it. So I was going to quit, and you can go at any time and open it up from here, boot repair. And that's it, it fixed mine on both Windows and this. Just use Refind to get into it, get to your Ubuntu, and then use boot repair.